15 senior tips when traveling to Japan. I am very blessed to still be able to travel with my senior parents, and it's their first time to travel to Japan. So my main purpose was comfort and convenience. We were not super tipid. As you can see, my previous reels about Tokyo with seniors, I hope you were able to watch that with expenses and my whole itinerary. I will be sharing with you what worked for us. What worked for us may not work for you. Number 1, mindset. You have to be able to explain to them that they will be walking more than 10,000 steps per day. Bakit hindi 20,000? Kasi hindi kami umabot doon. Make sure na nakapractice sila dito sa Pilipinas maglakad kasi you'll never know, baka mabigla sila doon. Number 2, be flexible with your itinerary. Meron akong nakahandang itinerary pero siguro mga 20% lang doon ang nasunod. And that's okay because na-mindset ko rin ang sarili ko na hindi masusunod yon dahil it will all depend on their pagod, puyat, and a lot of things. What worked for us? Limit activities 1 to 2 per day lang. 3, book activities on Klook. You can book a day before or the morning on your chosen activity day. So kami, for example, yung Tokyo Disneyland namin, binook namin the night before. Basta kailangan tignan nyo rin sa Klook kung available yung date na gusto nyo if the next day. Kasi minsan merong mga kailangan na 48-hour confirmation, kailangan makita mo dun sa Klook mismo yung instant confirmation. Ibig sabihin, available pa siya sa araw na yun or available siya bukas. Yung Shibuya Sky naman namin, we were able to book that on the day itself. Kasi merong instant confirmation din. 4, on Google Maps, you have to toggle the wheelchair accessible para ituro ni Google Maps kung saan ka pupunta na may lift at may escalator or elevator. Kasi sa mga train stations, meron naman yan designated areas for seniors, PWD, pregnant women. Nandun naman yan, nakalagay naman yan doon. So usually, I think nasa car number 3 or 4 yata sila. So hanapin mo lang doon. And then, meron ding mga lifts sa train station itself. So kami, sobrang grateful kami, wala kaming nasakyan na train station na walang lift. Kaya okay. Number 5, mag-CR muna bago umalis. Every time you leave an establishment or an attraction, make sure na makapag-CR sila para hindi datnan in the middle of the biyahe. Diba? 6, don't be on explore mode. This is not the right time for you to find the recommended restaurants. Because ang principle ko as a planner of the trip, kung saan ako madatnan ng gutom, kung saan madatnan ng gutom yung parents ko, doon kami maghahanap ng pagkain sa area na yon. Like ko nga sinasabi, where the locals go, eat there. 7, download Uber. Mas okay na gumastos kaysa magtipid ka pero masakit yung paa at muscles ng mga senior parents mo. In the end, hindi nila may enjoy yung trip. Pati ikaw, hindi mo rin may enjoy yung trip kasi maririnig mo yung mga inda nila na masakit na yung paa nila, di ba? Naman, nag-try kami mag-train on our first day and last day. 8, wear comfortable shoes. As for my parents, they wore their own shoes. 9, buy patches. On Don Quijote, Combinis, or convenience stores, or mga drugstores, merong mga patches for the foot and muscles. Bilhin nyo yon para makatulong. Kasi for sure, kahit na konti lang yung lakad mo, tas hindi sila sanay maglakad, sasakit yung paa nila at muscles nila. Kung ako nga, sumakit sila pa kaya, diba? 10, always bring water bottle and their emergency meds. 11, let them shop. For some reason, pag nagsha-shopping sila, nawawala yung mga sakit nila sa katawan. 12, choose a hotel that is accessible to everything. Restaurants, convenience stores, or even attraction. Kasi minsan maaga sila nagigising, so they want to explore on their own. So dapat malapit yung hotel mo doon. 13, hire a private van for your tours na malalayo like Mount Fuji. This is the best decision we've made because when we rented Ate Keisha's Alphard, sobrang comfortable namin. Tapos very flexible yung itinerary namin. Tapos pagtapos na kami sa attraction, pwede na kaming umuwi or umalis. Hindi na namin kailangan antayin yung mga kasama namin, di ba? Kasi kami-kami lang. Yun din ang maganda. Maaga pa kami nakabalik sa Tokyo mismo. 14, take lots of photos. Be grateful that you still have time with them to enjoy in another country while they still can. Iwasan ang maging masungit. Enjoy your time with them. Minsan lang to mangyari. Make the most out of it. 15, watch my Tokyo Disneyland Senior Tips na video kasi meron din akong separate tips for Disneyland mismo kung gusto nyo sila isama doon. And lastly, of course, book your attraction tickets on Klook and use my discount code MAINKLOOK and follow for more tips. Bye!